Can herbal supplements like maca root, quao crua, or black cohosh help with menopause symptoms? What about vitamin B6, vitamin B12, biotin, or vitamin B7? I'm Steve Goldring from simplehormones.com. I help patients and healthcare practitioners with easy-to-understand patient education resources. Most of those are about hormones and hormone optimization. I saw this billboard as I was driving on the freeway in Salt Lake City the other day. A Utah company called MixHers is promoting a drink mix that they say reduces hot flashes, balances hormones, supports energy levels, boosts mood. This particular product contains 3 herbal remedies and 3 B vitamins: maca root extract, quao crua root extract, black cohosh. Those are 3 herbs included in the MixHers supplement drink. Vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and vitamin B7, also called biotin. MixHers claims that quao crua extract supports healthy hormone balance and mimics the effects of estrogen in the body. Well, I seriously doubt that those herbs have anywhere near the estrogen activity of, say, estradiol, but whatever. If an herbal supplement like black cohosh helps reduce hot flashes, that's great. Maybe vitamin B6 and biotin will help support healthy brain function, whatever that means. I've had several women ask me about herbal supplements and whether they're worth getting into or not, and my answer is usually the same no matter which herbal supplement somebody's asking about. Those herbal supplements are fine. I'm pretty sure most of those herbal ingredients aren't going to hurt you. They might actually help some women with some menopause symptoms some of the time. Taking an herbal supplement is really just another version of what Big Pharma is trying to do to us all the time. It's trying to find a way to cope with or manage the symptoms without dealing with the root problem. The real problem in menopause isn't the hot flashes. It's not the weight gain. It's not the insomnia or the brain fog or the fatigue or the vaginal dryness or painful intimacy or any of the dozens of other really awful symptoms that you're probably experiencing. The real problem in menopause, the root problem, is the loss of your hormones. Your body is genetically programmed to stop making estradiol, progesterone, testosterone, and other hormones at around age 51 on average. The loss of hormones is the root problem underneath those terrible life-changing menopause symptoms. Unless you deal with the loss of hormones, you'll never really feel like yourself again, the way you used to feel. Sure, you may get a little relief from some of those symptoms, maybe, but the women I've talked with, literally thousands of them, say they haven't gotten enough relief when they've chosen not to deal with their hormones. If you're tired of trying all those non-hormone supplements that maybe worked, kinda, if you're ready to take a close look at actually dealing with those hormone deficiencies, I'm here to help. I've created a digital course called the Menopause Solution. It's all about hormone optimization, helping you make your HRT decision. This course helps you answer one simple question. Well, it sounds simple on the surface, but the question is this: is hormone replacement therapy right for my menopause or not? The course takes about 2 hours, more or less, to complete. Easy to understand, short videos in the course explain everything you need to know about optimal hormone levels. Optimal hormones are all about making sure your hormones aren't too high and they're not too low, but they're just right. Click the link on this video that says "Make Your HRT Decision" to learn more about the course. If this video has been helpful at all, click the like and subscribe buttons and ding that little bell to make sure you don't miss any of the videos I post. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.